talk about the AI here, because I think, do you think that has been the AI summit, jointly hosting AI summit, has been central to this entire visit, considering the AI war that we see between the West and China? And here India comes and talks about the need for sovereignty, security, safety, transparency, and collaborating with France and telling the whole world that, look, we're on the same page. How do you see there? Because yesterday, in his opening remarks, the way Prime Minister talked about brand India AI, relating AI to aspirational India, he made a very strong case for India at that World Forum.
Sakal, this is very important to be placed in a context in which AI war is unfolding now. We had US dominance for a long period of time, but then suddenly DeepSeek comes, and over a small period of time only, this has shaken markets and even the trust factor. Now, day before yesterday, and gradually it is going to become much more a news that how much can you trust DeepSeek, because it is taking too much of information from people. Now, AI is certainly an advantageous position for all of us, but at the same time, there are issues of data mining, data being sold here and there, and data being misused for the people. EU in that regard is very strong player with strong regulatory frameworks for data protection and data security. But at the same time, there's the other aspect of AI, is that how much do we have in innovation, rather than entering into this rivalry of who has greater power in the field of AI. India and France share a common vision and interest in order to develop artificial intelligence for the progress of the humanity. That is how it would help in the field of education, in health sector, in agriculture, in forecasting, and all those things that you can imagine related to AI. The third aspect is that this progress of humanity is dependent upon that how much
let's try
cost for the global south also. Coming out from the G20 summit last year, which India hosted, in the sense that how India holds a leadership position for global south, and in that case, how India can be a strong link between the West and create conduits for the global south and less developed countries to take advantage of AI, the low cost AI innovations. And this is where India has the capacities. And along with the scientific and developmental and technological framework of France, the two leaders have clearly shown that this is about trust, this is about authenticity, this is not about something which are the negative outcomes of AI, but something which is related to innovation, trust, dependability, and how we can actually bring AI into everyday life of common man.